Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will discuss about the services and products in GCP for data engineering. In Google Cloud Platform, there is a lot of services and products are available for different functions. In this video, I will discuss about the services and products that we need to use for data engineering. So let's dive into the details. First of all, we need to know what is data engineering is. Data engineering is nothing but extracting, processing, storing the data for business purpose. So basically we have to collect the data from different data sources, then transform the data and save the data so that it can be used for business purpose. In this process, we have to use different tools and services for extracting, processing and storing the data. So let's look into the services and tools that GCP provide for data engineering. As I mentioned earlier, in data engineering, basically there is 3 steps that we have to follow: data extraction and ingestion, data processing, data storage. First one is data extraction and ingestion. GCP has different tools for data ingestion. They are Compute Engine, App Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, Cloud Functions, Cloud Run, PubSub, Logging, Storage Transfer Services, BigQuery Data Transfer Service. All these services used for data ingestion. Data ingestion is nothing but getting data from different data sources and loading into our system for further processing. For example, if you have data in your e-commerce platform and you want to gather that data to process. So gathering that data to processing is called data ingestion. In data ingestion, there is 2 types of data ingestion: streaming ingestion and batch ingestion. In streaming ingest, data is processed in real time as it generated or received. So there is no delay in processing. It will be processed when it generates. In batch ingest, data is collected and processed in fixed size batches at scheduled intervals. So mostly we process the historical data in batch ingest. If the data is streaming ingest, we can use Google PubSub. And if it is batch ingest, we can use services like cloud storage or other services like storage transfer service or BigQuery data transfer service. Storage transfer service can be used to transfer large amount of data quickly. Some of the use cases are migrating data to cloud storage. For example, if you have large data on your on-premise data center and you want to transfer that data to cloud storage, you can use storage transfer service. One of the other use case is backup. If you want to replicate your data to Google Cloud or create a copy of cloud storage bucket in other region, then you can use storage transfer service for that. Second one is process and analyze. Let's look into the services for data processing and analyze. For this purpose, GCP provides various services like Dataflow, Dataproc, Cloud Composer, BigQuery, AI Platform, Cloud Vision API, Cloud Speech API, Translate API, Natural Language API, Data Prep, Video API. When you selecting a service for processing, you have to think about what kind of processing and analysis that you need to do with your data. For example, if you want to develop and execute data processing pipelines for both batch and stream data with fully managed service, you can choose Dataflow. BigQuery is useful if you have analytical purpose on your data. Dataproc, Cloud Data Prep are some of the other services used for data processing. In data processing, we are converting the data for useful business purpose. So we need to understand what kind of data or what kind of analysis we need to do for business purpose. So we need to select the services according to that. We can also make use of GCP ML services with BigQuery ML, Vertex API, etc. Dataproc is one of the services that we can use for data processing and ML related tasks. If you have workflow orchestration scheduling kind of task, then you can choose Cloud Composer, which uses Apache Airflow in the background. So while choosing the service, you should aware that what kind of process and analysis that you are doing with your data. Data storage. Once you have your data, you need to save it. GCP provides different services for data storage. They are Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, Data Store, Cloud Bigtable, BigQuery, Cloud Firestore, Cloud Spanner, Cloud Memory Store. While you selecting the storage, you have to think about what kind of data that you have and also the purpose of the data. For example, if your data is structured data, you can choose Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner or BigQuery. In structured data, it can be either transactional data or analytical data. If it is transactional data, then you can choose either Cloud SQL or Cloud Spanner. Both Cloud SQL and Cloud Spanner are RDBMS database. Cloud SQL support MySQL, Postgres and SQL Server. It supports traditional database features. Cloud Spanner is globally distributed, horizontally scalable relational database service. It is designed to handle large-scale applications that require global consistency and high availability. If the data is for analytical purpose, you can choose BigQuery. If you need to analyze large volume of data quickly and also for real-time analytics and visualizing the data, then BigQuery is a good option. For semi-structured data, we can choose Cloud Data Store or Cloud Bigtable. Both are NoSQL databases. Cloud Bigtable is high-performance NoSQL database service designed for terabyte to petabyte scale workload. It provides consistent, low latency and high throughput for large-scale NoSQL data. If you need to analyze large volume of data in real time and require low latency to data for analytics, then Bigtable is a good option. For unstructured data, cloud storage can be used. So here you can store variety of data like image, video, CSV, JSON and more other data. It is kind of dumping the data for later usage. Data visualization. GCP also have services for data visualization and Explore. Looker, Data Lab, Data Studio, BigQuery BI Engine, Sheets, Data Catalog are the services for visualization. Using these services, you can visualize the data like a dashboard which will give you the insight about the data. So you can use these services for data visualization. So this is the high level overview of the GCP services that we can use for data engineering. I will discuss about each of these services in my upcoming videos, but I need your support. So please support the channel with your subscription. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.